ओके, एम्फी की कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल शुरू हो गई है। एक बार सुन लेते हैं कि कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल में क्या बातचीत चल रही है।
Despite those challenges, our regulators have kept market functioning. They have taken unprecedented steps like in 2008 and 2013 to keep market operations normal. The RBI has cut cash reserve ratio. They have conducted open market operation. They have conducted long-term repo operations. They have conducted Operation Twist to ensure that banking system today is with surplus liquidity, and indeed banking system has more than 7 lakh crore of surplus liquidity. They have intervened in the market to keep yields under check, to keep yield curve under reasonable shape, and they have conducted LTROs to ensure that needy sector of the economy gets the right credit which they deserve. Obviously, this is work in progress and more needs to be done to tackle certain sectors of economy, especially in non-banking financial services space. We, as mutual funds, clearly have bulk of our assets in non-credit risk funds. It's more than 90% of our AUM. The credit quality of that portfolio is superior as confirmed by independent rating agencies. Liquidity profile of that portfolio is significantly solid with self-maturing instruments as well as backed by the secondary market liquidity. Majority of our funds should not have any impact on normal operations due to an isolated event of winding down at one mutual fund. We would like to reassure our investors that our credit quality and liquidity profile, along with steps taken by the regulator to keep market functioning normally, will allow us to do our job uninterruptedly. An isolated event which has occurred in one mutual fund will have no bearing on our day-to-day operation. Even in credit risk fund, which is about 5% of our debt AUM, there are conservative credit risk fund and aggressive credit risk fund. Not all credit risk funds have similar credit profile. In fact, in majority of credit risk fund, there has been significant movement towards better quality assets, higher cash balance, and better liquidity profile, and which is why today majority of mutual funds have zero borrowing, and it shows that they have been able to meet day-to-day redemption despite challenging situations. Before I hand it over to my senior colleague, Mr. Milind Barve, on behalf of MC, I would like to seek your cooperation to reassure investors that their investment in that mutual fund is safe. They should look at individual funds, credit portfolio, credit quality, liquidity profile to get that confidence. Over to you, Milind.
Thank you, Nilesh. Just to taking this forward from what Nilesh has already said, I think the first thing that I would like to point out that there is a degree of anxiety around specifically credit risk fund, and the name of the fund seems to almost erroneously suggest that almost the entire portfolio in this credit risk fund is very toxic or it has very poor quality of credit. This is far from the truth. The reality is that for most of us who are managing credit risk fund, almost 20 to 30% of the credit risk fund comprises AAA and cash. So it is not that entire portfolio is in credit is in high yield or low credit quality paper. Second, apart from holding as much as 20 to 30% in AAA and cash, these credit risk fund also have another between 30 to 50% of our portfolio in AA and AA plus assets. So basically, if you look at a so-called credit risk fund, the actual profile of the underlying investments in these funds is actually very high quality. And even in the current challenging circumstances and environment, one does not foresee any really serious challenge in being able to liquidate these portfolios over a period of time gradually rises. So the point is that it is not appropriate to brush all credit funds and all fund houses and all products in the same category.
ये है एम्फी की कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल, जिधर अभी थोड़ी देर पहले नीलेश शाह बात कर रहे थे और अब एचडीएफसी एएमसी के मिलिंद बर्वे साहब बात कर रहे हैं, क्लैरिफिकेशन दे रहे हैं, अश्योरेंस देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जिस तरह का बाजार में इस समय हड़कंप मची है, स्पेशली डेट म्यूचुअल फंड्स में, जो डिसीजन कल शाम को फ्रैंकलिन टेम्पल्टन ने लिया है 6 फिक्स्ड इनकम प्लान्स बंद करने का, और वहां से अब जो रिडेम्पशन को बंद कर दिया है, लगभग 26 से 28 हजार करोड़ रुपए इस समय अटके हुए हैं, उस पर बाजार को आश्वासन दिला रहे हैं। और डिटेल्स भी आती रहेंगी, फोकस इस पर रहेगा। फिलहाल हमें दें इजाजत, एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेंगे। मार्केट का एक्शन दूसरी साइड पर चलता रहेगा। 9250 पर इस समय निफ्टी ट्रेड कर रहा है। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए।